Gulfood is very important exhibition for us as a regional office covering Middle East and North and Africa, and it serves us as a unique platform to show our innovation, our new trend, our new technology, and of course the product, all the product and machinery related to food and beverage industry. Our region is more, they are interested in the water, still water, especially in the main market like Saudi and GCC and Egypt. We introduced the new high-speed lines and it really went well. We sold many lines in the past few months, and the trend is really continues to be in our region, more in the water, still water, and start to see some solution in the aseptic filling side.
Ba 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 da da.